Here in Othello, the people are surrounded by Washington's amazing agriculture, and that means fresh produce. Potatoes, dairy, wheat, and more come fresh from the area. And here at the Cowpath Bakery, they're treating the ingredients right, making some amazing treats for anyone walking through the door.
You can taste the freshness, so that's what's really good.
We've always said in Othello, we just need a good bakery in this town. Now we have one.
I was helping him on the dairy when I first moved down here. We had 3 little kids, so stay-at-home mom.
Owner Janice Baginski and her husband Chris run both the bakery and a dairy. Although that keeps them very busy, they get a little assistance from some special helpers.
Yeah, my free-range children.
I love it.
They're really good kids. They make parenting easy. Nate, he's going to be 11 and he's trying to run the till, and Eli, he likes to build the boxes. And then Peyton, she's
Peyton.
She's Peyton.
Janice is just so talented.
When I want to have something sweet to eat, this is the place.
Don't miss later in the show when Janice and I make Cowpath's special raspberry rolls.
So we start glazing rolls at 6:30 tomorrow morning, so.
We're back at the Cowpath Bakery in Othello. With so many amazing and delicious treats made fresh in the kitchen, it's difficult for anyone to walk out of here without a box of goodies, or maybe even 2 boxes.
I have a different favorite every week. One week it might be these caramel sticky buns, and then the next week the raspberry rolls.
We offer a lot.
Owner and baker Janice Baginski makes sure that the bakery is stocked with fresh-made goodness in the mornings. And with so many amazing treats, it's difficult to choose a favorite.
We always have cinnamon rolls. We always have bear claws.
For little tarts, I could eat those all day long.
The sticky buns.
The cheesecake is awesome.
We do a carrot cake, which is to die for.
I was looking at the strawberry rhubarb pies.
Literally, you can't go wrong with anything here, I think. It's all good.
Everything is made from scratch. If we can make it in-house, we will. They blame me for any weight gain. And I have one customer, he buys his bread through the drive-thru and he's like, "This is amazing." And then he'll come in the door and he's like, "I've gained so much weight because of you."
I get to bake with you. What are we gonna make?
We are gonna make a raspberry cream roll.
Okay.
So we're gonna make the dough, and then it's gonna have a raspberry and cream cheese filling. Raspberries are just coming into season, so the timing I feel like is really good.
I can't wait.
The unique thing about this dough, we use it for our cinnamon rolls at the bakery as well.
Okay.
We don't use eggs, which is different from a lot of cinnamon roll recipes.
Awesome.
So it just makes the dough light and fluffy and moist.
And we're highlighting the milk too.
And we get to use a lot of
It's
milk, which that's what we're all about.
Washington grown, that's right.
We start with scalded whole milk, canola oil, and sugar, and whisk it up. Then we add the yeast.
That's just gonna hang out.
Okay.
It can take a few minutes depending on how warm your
Longer
milk
if we stare at it.
is. Longer, yes, like paint drying.
Next, we add Washington's fabulous wheat flour. We add some salt, baking powder, and baking soda in and whisk it all up.
When I whisk, I throw things around.
Yeah, try to keep it in the bowl. The weight of this has been accounted for.
I know, right?
Put it on the KitchenAid and it's gonna do what we've paid it to do.
I didn't know we were paying the KitchenAid.
Oh,
I'm doing this for free.
you get snacks in the end.
I get good snacks.
We pay you in raspberry
in
rolls.
food.
We mix the dough up, then let it rest. Once it's done, we roll it out. Then it's time for the cream cheese mixture.
I'm all about anything dairy.
You have cows and a dairy.
Yeah.
So,
Next comes the raspberry filling.
Now the fun part.
okay.
So you're gonna start at the top corner and you're gonna fold down and you're gonna go all the way to the end.
Yeah.
Tuck and roll, people, tuck and roll.
Tuck and roll.
So that's what you're gonna
Okay.
do.
Once it's all rolled, we cut up the dough.
So
This is gooey.
if you don't like getting your hands dirty, pick something else.
Right. No, this is fun. I love it.
We let the rolls rise, then bake them for 20 minutes. Once they're finished, it's time for the lemon glaze.
We prefer lemon because lemon and raspberries equals love.
Do you drizzle or spread? I don't know.
It's your show. However
We're
you want to
winging
do
it, lady. Okay.
So we start glazing rolls at
satisfied.
6:30 tomorrow morning. So this dough is magic.
Oh my goodness. That lemon just adds a really nice tartness to it. Mm-hmm. It's delicious.
I haven't had one of these in a while. I'm so glad we did this together.
It was a lot of fun.
We should do it again
You're a great
sometime.
teacher.
To get the recipe for Cowpath Bakery's raspberry rolls, visit wagrown.com.